I get older, things like cellulite massagers become more and more interesting and important to me. I think it's just part of life. What I like about this is all the flexibility and how easy it is to use. Honestly, I can just sit in leggings and have a conversation at the end of the day, working this out, massaging. You don't have to think about this at all. That's my favorite part. It's such an easy solution. You can apply as much or as little pressure as you want. There are 14 rollers, almost 1,000 of those little dots. So whether you use part of this or you use the attachments that click on, these are really nice because even my athlete children who use them like to muscle massage or lymphatic, but they're super easy to hold on to. They do have a nice grip here. Each of these end pieces has 4 additional rollers. Well, if there's a certain part you want to target or a certain area, so easy. But if you want to put the whole thing together, it's simply a snapping system. These pieces just snap together and click, and everything locks in place. It's so easy to use. So you have a wider angle for wrapping all the way around the leg, through the buttocks, through the back, any part that you would like to use. It couldn't be easier to assemble together or to take apart. You can travel with this. It's very durable. It's kind of like a solid plastic. It seems well made. The rollers roll really well. And I feel like if you just can kind of stick with it, do your 10 minutes a day to add the pressure. It just is a really nice system. And it does give you an entire guide on how to use the system and some additional details as well if you get stuck. So if you're on the fence, been really happy with this. It couldn't be easier to use. And I do feel like it's a great solution. Hope that helps.